Welcome to PropertyDarshan.com, a real estate platform which allows you to visit properties online across Kolkata with 360-degree virtual tour. So let's start. In this video, we have curated for you 3 BHK furnished flat for sale in Baliganj, Kolkata. This property ID is N99366. Watch the video till end for full details. Project name is Mandevilla Garden Court and it's located in Anil Mitra Road, Baliganj, Kolkata. It is one of the most upscale localities in South Kolkata, and this locality is home to many residential complexes and commands high property prices owing to exceptional location benefits. Surrounded with convenience, this location has all the major features you will need like shops, malls, restaurants, hospitals, schools, markets, etc. at your disposal. Other locations close to Baliganj are Bhawanipur, Park Street, Garyahat, Beg Bagan, Park Circus, Thakuria, Jodhpur Park, Jadavpur and many more. Some key apartment projects in near vicinity include Fort Oasis, Tirumani, Eden Imperial, Siddha Nirvana, Orbit Sky Garden and many more. Project is just a 5 minutes drive from Garyahat Market. This project is spanned over 3 towers and it offers amenities like garden, badminton court, kids play area, banquet hall, 20.27 3-tier security, CCTV, visitor parking, multi-purpose hall, lift, decorated lobby, power backup, firefighting system, etc. It is a 10-storied, well-maintained building with each floor having 4 flats and ground floor having parking area. This flat is on 3rd floor and it has 3 bedroom, 3 toilet, 1 kitchen, 1 balcony and 1 car parking. Total area of the flat is 1972 square feet and asking price is rupees 2 crore 17 lakhs and asking price for parking is rupees 10 lakhs. Project is constructed with interior specifications like earthquake resistant, concealed plumbing with high quality sanitaryware, external walls with water coat paint, internal walls with putty over cement plaster, UPVC windows, kitchen with matte finished anti-vertified tiles, laminated wooden flooring in master bedrooms, concealed copper wiring with modular switches, door with seasoned and treated sal wood and many more. Surrounding of the property is very peaceful and ambience throughout the building is also calm and quiet. This property ID is N99366. To get connected for this property, check link in the description and for more property option visit our real estate portal www.propertydarshan.com. Thank you.